Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the lesson number 6, that is redox reaction. Redox, it is the combination of reduction and oxidation. Okay. Now, starting with this lesson, one question is there. Can you tell? The question number 1 is, why does cut apple turns brown when exposed to air? Once again, why does cut apple turns brown when exposed to air? This is the first question. Second one, why does old car bumper change color? And third one, why do new batteries becomes useless after some days? Okay, इन तीनों क्वेश्चन का आपको आंसर देना है, आंसर लिखना है. दैट इज कैन यू टेल. स्टार्टिंग में ही दिया है रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन लेसन के. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन? Redox reaction means the reaction in which oxidation and reduction reaction take place simultaneously. The reaction in which oxidation and reduction reaction take place simultaneously, it is known as redox reaction. Okay. Now, what are the examples that take place naturally? What are the examples of redox reactions that take place naturally? So, there are three examples. Respiration is an example of redox reaction. It takes place naturally. Respiration. Second one, rusting of ions. It is a brown colored hydrated surface produced on the surface of iron metal. It is known as ferric oxide, and this ferric oxide, it is known as rust. So rusting is an example of redox reaction. It takes place naturally. And third one is combustion of fuel. Combustion of different types of fuels produces carbon dioxide and water, and large amount of energy is released. So these are the three examples of redox reaction that take place naturally, that occurs naturally. Okay, one more question is there. Can you recall? तीन सवाल हैं, उन तीनों सवाल के जवाब आपको लिखना है. Can you recall? First one, what is combustion reaction? What is combustion reaction? Second one, write an equation for combustion of methane. Write an equation for combustion of methane. And third one, what is the driving force behind reactions of elements? What is the driving force behind reactions of elements? Okay, ये 6 सवाल के जवाब आपको लिखने हैं. Next part, key points of oxidation and reduction reactions. What is oxidation and what is reduction? यहाँ पर 6 डेफिनेशन दिया है. सॉरी, 6 डेफिनेशन. वो डेफिनेशन आगे फिर से एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. सो स्टार्टिंग विद द ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन, दैट इज की पॉइंट्स ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन. फर्स्ट वन, ऑक्सीडेशन इज डिफाइंड एज एंड रिडक्शन इज डिफाइंड एज. Oxidation is defined as oxidation, addition of oxygen, it is known as oxidation, and reduction, removal of oxygen, it is known as reduction. So oxygen is highly electronegative element. Oxygen is highly electronegative element. So that's why second definition of oxygen is addition of electronegative element. Oxygen is an electronegative element. Addition of oxygen, it is known as oxidation. So one more definition of oxidation is addition of electronegative element, that is oxidation. And reduction, removal of electronegative element, because removal of oxygen is an electronegative element. Removal of electronegative element, it is known as reduction. That is the second definition of oxidation and reduction. Third one, removal of hydrogen, it is known as oxidation. Removal of hydrogen, it is known as oxidation, and addition of hydrogen, it is known as reduction. Hydrogen is an electropositive element. ऑक्सीजन कौन है? इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट है, और हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट है. तो एडिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट, इट इज नोन एज ऑक्सीडेशन, एंड रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट, इट इज नोन एज ऑक्सीडेशन. एंड रिडक्शन क्या आएगा? एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, इट इज नोन एज रिडक्शन, and addition of electropositive element, it is known as reduction. Because oxygen is electronegative element and hydrogen is electropositive element. So once again, what are the four definitions of oxidation? Addition of oxygen, that is first definition. Second one, addition of electronegative element, it is known as oxidation. Removal of hydrogen, it is known as oxidation, and removal of electropositive element, it is known as oxidation. Now reduction. What is reduction? Removal of oxygen, it is known as reduction. Removal of electronegative element, it is known as reduction. Addition of hydrogen, it is known as reduction. And addition of electropositive element, it is known as reduction. Okay, फोर definition हो गया. अभी फिफ्थ definition क्या है देखो. Loss of electrons by any species. The species which loses electrons and undergoes oxidation. The reaction that involves loss of electrons by any species, it is known as oxidation. Then what is meant by reduction? Gain of electrons by any species, it is known as reduction. Loss of electron, it is known as oxidation. Then gain of electron, it is known as reduction. This is the fifth definition of oxidation and reduction. And now last definition of oxidation and reduction: increase in oxidation number of an atom. The reaction in which oxidation number of an atom increases, it is known as oxidation. What is oxidation number? Oxidation number की definition आगे है. Sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, what is the charge of sodium? +1. So +1 is the oxidation number of sodium. And Cl, what is the charge of Cl? -1. So -1 is the oxidation number of Cl. So oxidation number is the charge which carries on atom or species, it is known as oxidation number. So increase in oxidation number of an atom, it is known as oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number of an atom, it is known as oxidation. And decrease in oxidation number of an atom, it is known as reduction. So these are the 6 definitions of oxidation and reduction, and they are known as key points of oxidation and reduction. Okay, now one by one, अभी ये 6 definition है वो हमें one by one देखनी है. So first of all, define oxidation in terms of classical concept. Give example. Classical concept से oxidation की definition क्या है? What is the definition of oxidation on the basis of classical concept? The definition of oxidation on the basis of classical concept is, according to the classical concept, oxidation is defined as, according to the classical concept, oxidation is defined as the addition of oxygen to the substance. Addition of oxygens to the substance or to the compound, it is known as oxidation. यहाँ पर टेक्स्ट बुक में क्या definition ये देखो. According to classical concept, oxidation is defined as the combination of an element or a substance with oxygen. The combination of an element or a substance with oxygen, it is known as oxidation. For example, carbon combines with oxygen or carbon reacts with oxygen and undergoes oxidation. Carbon reacts with oxygen and undergo oxidation. So reaction is C solid plus O2 gas gives CO2 gas. So carbon when combines with oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide. So this is a process of oxidation because of the process in which there is a combination of element or a substance with oxygen. It is known as oxidation. Okay, second example, magnesium combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide and undergoes oxidation. Magnesium combines with oxygen and undergo oxidation. So what is the reaction? 2Mg, this is the reaction, 2Mg solid plus O2 gas gives 2MgO. So these are the two reaction indicates oxidation. What is oxidation? Addition of oxygen to an element or a substance, it is known as oxidation. Addition of, according to classical concept, oxidation is defined as the addition of oxygen to an element or a compound or a substance, it is known as oxidation. Or the combination of an element or a substance with oxygen, it is known as oxidation. For example, C plus O2 gives CO2, this is oxidation, and 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO, this is oxidation. Now reduction. What is reduction on the basis of classical concept? Define reduction इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्लासिकल कंसेप्ट एंड गिव एग्जांपल्स. रिडक्शन वहां पर ऊपर था एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, तो यहां पर क्या आएगा, रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. Define reduction in terms of classical concept. Give examples. According to the classical concept, reduction is defined as the removal of oxygen from a compound. The removal of oxygen from a compound or from a substance, it is known as reduction. Addition of oxygen means oxidation and removal of ऑक्सीजन मीन्स रिडक्शन. ओके, एग्जाम्पल दिया है, की पॉइंट में 6 डेफिनेशन, सिर्फ डेफिनेशन दिए, अभी एक एक डेफिनेशन हमें देखना है विथ एग्जाम्पल. So what is reduction? According to the classical concept, reduction is defined as the removal of oxygen from a compound. It is known as reduction. For example, 2Fe2O3 plus carbon solid, ferric oxide, Fe2O3, ferric oxide, 2Fe2O3, this is the reaction, 2Fe2O3 solid plus 3 carbon solid gives 4Fe plus 3CO2. 2Fe2O3 plus 3 carbon solid gives 4Fe solid plus 3 CO2. So in this reaction, what happened in this reaction? The oxygen atoms from Fe2O3 are removed and it combines with carbon. So that's why it is a reduction reaction. Second example, mercuric oxide, 2HgO. HgO means mercuric oxide. It produces mercury liquid plus oxygen is removed from mercuric oxide. 2HgO gives 2Hg plus O2 gas. Okay, so this is an example of reduction reaction. Okay, and these are the classical definitions of oxidation and reduction. Now define and explain oxidation with example. Now the exactly definition of oxidation. अभी यहाँ पर तीन ऊपर जो 4 डेफिनेशन दिया ना, वो चारों डेफिनेशन, चारों पॉइंट को कंबाइन करके ये डेफिनेशन आई है. देखो, व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेशन. पहली डेफिनेशन एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, एडिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट, रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट. ये चारों डेफिनेशन अभी यहां पर कंबाइन हुए. देखो, व्हाट इज डिफाइन एंड एक्सप्लेन ऑक्सीडेशन विद एग्जांपल. Define and explain oxidation with example. What is oxidation? Oxidation is defined as the addition of oxygen or electronegative element to a substance or removal of hydrogen or electropositive element from a substance. It's called oxidation. है ना, चारों डेफिनेशन ऊपर की पॉइंट में 4 डेफिनेशन दे, वो चारों डेफिनेशन यहां पर आए. देखो, व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेशन. Oxidation is defined as the addition of oxygen or electronegative element. The addition of oxygen or addition of electronegative element to a substance or removal of hydrogen or removal of electropositive element from a substance. It is known as oxidation. Oxidation is defined as addition of oxygen or electronegative element to a substance or removal of hydrogen or electropositive element from a substance. It is known as oxidation. Now example, अभी चारों पॉइंट का एग्जांपल देखो. एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन का एग्जांपल दिया है. कार्बन कंबाइंस विद ऑक्सीजन टू फॉर्म कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. दिस इज एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. अभी एडिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट, magnesium combines with chlorine. Chlorine is the most electronegative element. Magnesium combines with addition of fluorine. Fluorine is the most electronegative element. So magnesium reacts with chlorine to form magnesium fluoride. Sulfur is an electronegative element. So magnesium reacts with sulfur to form magnesium sulfide. So this is addition of electronegative element. Okay. Now removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. For example, hydrogen sulfide, 2H2S. 2H2S reacts with O2 to form 2 sulfur plus H2O. सल्फर हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड में से हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो गए. 2H2S solid plus O2 gas gives 2 sulfur 2S solid plus 2H2O. So hydrogen atoms are removed from H2S. So this is removal of hydrogen and it indicates that oxidation. And last one, removal of electropositive element or radical. Removal of electropositive element or radical. So for example, Hg2Cl2, this is known as mercurous chloride. Hg2Cl2 solid mercurous chloride gives mercury chloride HgCl2 plus it removes electropositive element. Hg is an electropositive element and it is a solid. In this reaction mercury is a solid and in the above reaction mercury, अभी पहले जो reaction देखी है HgO की, उसमें mercury liquid form में होता है. So removal of an electropositive element For this, the reaction is Hg2Cl2 solid, that is mercurous chloride, gives mercury chloride HgCl2 and it removes electropositive element, that is Hg solid. Okay, so this is oxidation. Addition of oxygen, addition of electronegative element, addition of removal of hydrogen and removal of electropositive element. Okay, so that is oxidation. Now reduction. What is reduction? फोर डेफिनेशन देखो रिडक्शन के. डिफाइन एंड एक्सप्लेन रिडक्शन विथ सुटेबल एग्जाम्पल्स. चार एग्जाम्पल देने, चार डेफिनेशन की पॉइंट में देना, वो चारों पॉइंट यहां पर आएंगे. देखो पहला पॉइंट क्या था? रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट, addition of hydrogen, addition of electropositive element. So per definition, reduction is defined as the removal of oxygen or electronegative element from a substance or addition of hydrogen or electropositive element to a substance. It is known as reduction. Define and explain reduction with example. Reduction is defined as the removal of oxygen or electronegative element from a substance or addition of hydrogen or electropositive element to a substance. It is known as reduction. For example, removal of oxygen. पहले देखेंगे example removal of oxygen. 2HgO solid, mercuric oxide. 2HgO solid gives 2Hg liquid plus O2 gas. So in this reaction it indicates that oxygen atoms are removed from mercuric oxide. 2HgO gives 2Hg liquid plus O2 gas. Okay, so this is removal of oxygen. Now removal of electronegative element or radical. Removal of electronegative element or radical. For example, 2FeCl3. In this FeCl3, Cl is a electronegative element. Okay, chlorine is an electronegative element. 2 ferric chloride, FeCl3 means ferric chloride. 2 FeCl3, that is ferric chloride, when reacts with hydrogen gas, 2 FeCl3 aqueous solution plus H2 gas gives 2 FeCl2, that is ferrous chloride. FeCl2 means ferrous chloride. FeCl2 means what? Ferrous chloride, and it produces twice of HCl. तो FeCl3 में से 2 Cl निकल गए, so removal of electronegative element, और 2 Cl हाइड्रोजन के साथ कंबाइन हो गया और 2 HCl बन गया. सो वंस अगेन व्हाट इज द रिएक्शन? 2 FeCl3 aqueous plus H2 gas gives 2 FeCl2 aqueous plus 2 HCl. Okay, and third definition, addition of hydrogen. Example, CH2 double bond CH2 gas, that is ethylene. CH2 double bond CH2 means ethene plus H2, addition of hydrogen. CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2 gives CH3 single bond CH3, that is ethane. Ethene produces ethane by the addition of hydrogen. Ethene produces ethane by the addition of hydrogen. This is an example of addition of hydrogen. Okay, and last one, addition of an electropositive element. Addition of an electropositive element. Okay, for example, HgCl2, twice of HgCl2, that is mercuric chloride, twice of HgCl2 mercuric chloride aqueous plus SnCl2, that is stannous chloride. SnCl2 का नाम क्या है? stannous chloride, gives Hg2Cl2, that is mercurous chloride. Mercuric chloride get converted into mercurous chloride. So that is removal of, addition of mercury Hg, addition of Hg. यहाँ पर पहले इसमें 2HgCl2 था, वहां पर Hg एक ही था ना, 2 मोल्स निकाल दो, क्या आ जाएगा? HgCl2. HgCl2 में मर्क्यूरी एक ही है, तो यहां पर क्या हो गया? Hg2Cl2, 2 मर्क्यूरी हो गए. सो मर्क्यूरी इज एन इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट. सो ट्वाइस ऑफ HgCl2 aqueous plus SnCl2 gives Hg2Cl2 plus SnCl4. So addition of electropositive element, that is Hg, is added into HgCl2. It produces Hg2Cl2. Okay, so this is an example of reduction. So once again, what is oxidation? फिर से ऑक्सीडेशन की डेफिनेशन क्या है? ऑक्सीडेशन इज डिफाइंड एज एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन और इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट to a substance or removal of hydrogen or electropositive element from a substance. It is known as oxidation. And what is reduction? Reduction is defined as the removal of oxygen or electronegative element from a substance or addition of hydrogen or electropositive element to a substance. It is known as reduction. Okay, now define oxidant or oxidizing agent. Oxidant, oxidizing agent or reductant and reducing agent. जिस सब्सटेंस का ऑक्सीडेशन होता है वो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट होता है, और जिस सब्सटेंस का रिडक्शन होता है वो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है. वेरी सिंपल डेफिनेशन है. देखो क्या डेफिनेशन है. डेफिनेशन है, सिंपल पॉइंट में बता रहा हूं मैं. जिस सब्सटेंस का ऑक्सीडेशन होता है वो सब्सटेंस रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट होता है, और जिस सब्सटेंस का रिडक्शन होता है वो सब्सटेंस ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है. द सब्सटेंस दैट अंडरगोज ऑक्सीडेशन, it acts as reducing agent. On the other hand, the substance that undergoes reduction, it acts as oxidizing agent. Okay, so what is oxidizing agent or oxidant? अभी यहाँ पर exactly definition क्या है देखो. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, दो डेफिनेशन दिए टेक्स्ट बुक में, एक एक डेफिनेशन दिए, मैंने दो डेफिनेशन पूरे कंबाइन किया और यहाँ पर डेफिनेशन लिखी है. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, define oxidizing agent or oxidant. Oxidant means oxidizing agent, a reagent or substance which itself undergoes reduction. A reagent or substance which itself undergoes reduction and causes oxidation of another species. It's called oxidant or oxidizing agent. देखो मैंने क्या कहा था सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, जिस सब्सटेंस का रिडक्शन होता है उसे कहते हैं ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. जिस सब्सटेंस का रिडक्शन होता है लेकिन वो सब्सटेंस दूसरे सब्सटेंस को क्या करेगा, ऑक्सीडेशन करेगा. जो सब्सटेंस खुद में रिडक्शन करता है लेकिन दूसरे का ऑक्सीडेशन कर देता है उसे कहते हैं ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. द सब्सटेंस, अ रिएजेंट और सब्सटेंस which itself undergoes reduction and causes oxidation of another species, it's called oxidant or oxidizing agent. Or second definition, what is the second definition? The species which accept electrons, the species which accept one or more electrons from another species, it's called oxidant or oxidizing agent. ये डेफिनेशन नहीं है टेक्स्ट बुक में. दूसरी डेफिनेशन क्या है ऑक्सीडेंट की डेफिनेशन? द स्पेसीज विच एक्सेप्ट वन और मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम अनदर स्पेसीज, इट्स कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेंट और ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. पहली डेफिनेशन क्या है? अ रिएजेंट और सब्सटेंस विच इटसेल्फ अंडरगोज रिडक्शन एंड कॉजेस ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ अनदर स्पेसीज. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन. The reagent or substance which itself undergoes reduction and causes oxidation of another species is called oxidant or oxidizing agent. And second definition, the species which accepts one or more electrons from another species is called oxidant or oxidizing agent. Now what is reductant? रिडक्टेंट, यहाँ पर बहुत ही ओवर राइटिंग हुई है, मैंने व्हाइटनर लगाया है. देखो व्हाट इज रिडक्टेंट. टेक्स्ट बुक में आप टेक्स्ट बुक में ये लेसन पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे तो पूरा दिमाग चकरा जाएगा, क्योंकि कहाँ कौन सी डेफिनेशन कहाँ दी है कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है. मैंने वो पूरा करेक्शन करके यहाँ पर लिखा है. टेक्स्ट बुक में पढ़नी, पुस्तकामध्ये वाचण्याचा प्रयत्न केला तर डोकं चक्रावून जाईल, काहीही कळणार नाही. पुस्तकामध्ये काहीही कळणार नाही. सुरुवातीचे 1-2 पानं काहीच कळणार नाही, पुढे तुम्हाला कळेल आपोआप, पण पहिले 2 पानं तुम्हाला अजिबात काहीच कळणार नाही. काय दिले, ऑक्सिडेशनची डेफिनेशन कुठे आहे आणि रिडक्शनची डेफिनेशन कुठे आहे, काहीच कळणार नाही. त्यामुळे मी ज्या नोट्स काढलेले सगळे अगदी एकत्र करून ह्या नोट्स काढलेले आहेत, त्यामुळे ह्या नोट्सचाच अभ्यास करा. मी जे शिकवते पुस्तकातला अभ्यास नाही केला तरी चालेल. मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, मैं हर रोज़ जो पढ़ा रहा हूँ उसी नोट्स के आप स्टडी करेंगे तो भी बस है. टेक्स्ट बुक इस्तेमाल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि 2-2, 3-3 टेक्स्ट बुक्स रेफ़र करने के बाद मैं नोट्स निकाल रहा हूँ. तो यही नोट्स क्या 12th स्टैंडर्ड में भी, बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम के लिए भी जो मैं पढ़ाऊँगा, जो बताऊँगा उतनी पढ़ाई करेंगे तो भी बस है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ रिडक्टेंट, रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट, अ रिएजेंट और सब्सटेंस विच इटसेल्फ अंडरगोज ऑक्सीडेशन. जिसका रिडक्शन होता है उसे कहते हैं ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, और जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन होता है उसे कहते हैं रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट। जो खुद का क्या करता है ऑक्सीडेशन, लेकिन दूसरे का क्या करेगा रिडक्शन। अ रिएजेंट और सब्सटेंस विच इटसेल्फ अंडरगोज ऑक्सीडेशन एंड ब्रिंग्स अबाउट रिडक्शन ऑफ अनदर स्पीसीज। A reagent or substance which itself undergoes oxidation and brings about reduction of another species is called reductant or reducing agent. Second definition, or the species which donates one or more electrons to another species. The species which donates one or more electrons to another species is called reductant. Oxidant में क्या थी definition? Second definition, the species which accept electron. जो species electron accept करता है उसे कहते हैं ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, ऑक्सीडेंट। तो जो स्पीसीज इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करता है, द स्पीसीज विच डोनेट्स वन और मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स to another species is called reductant or reducing agent. Okay, so this is oxidant and reductant, oxidizing agent or reductant. Now explain redox reaction with suitable example. Redox reaction, ये last point लेता हूँ, आगे का point हम कल देखेंगे। Redox reaction, what is redox reaction? शुरू में ही हमने definition देखी थी। So redox reaction with suitable example. Explain redox reaction with suitable example. The reaction in which oxidation and reduction reaction occurs simultaneously is called redox reaction. The reaction in which redox means reduction, red means reduction, and ox means oxidation. The reaction in which oxidation and reduction reaction occur simultaneously is called redox reaction. For example, twice of HgCl2 plus SnCl2 देखा है इससे पहले एग्जांपल ये हुआ है। ओके, दैट इज रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट, यही डेफिनेशन थी ना रिडक्शन की। सो twice of HgCl2 plus SnCl2 gives Hg2Cl2 plus SnCl4. In this reaction, HgCl2 is reduced. HgCl2 का रिडक्शन हो रहा है और SnCl2 का ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है। HgCl2 का रिडक्शन हो रहा है और SnCl2 का ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है, इसलिए HgCl2 क्या है? ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है, और SnCl2 क्या है? रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है। देखो यहां पर, इन दिस रिएक्शन HgCl2 is reduced to Hg2Cl2. In this reaction, HgCl2 is reduced to Hg2Cl2 and SnCl2 is oxidized to SnCl4. Hence, it is a redox reaction. इसलिए ये कौन सी रिएक्शन है? रिडॉक्स। किसमें किसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है? HgCl2 का ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है और SnCl2 का रिडक्शन हो रहा है। HgCl2 undergoes oxidation, so that's why HgCl2 is an reducing agent, and SnCl2 undergoes oxidation, so that's why SnCl2 is a reducing agent. SnCl4 is oxidized and HgCl2 is reduced. Okay, तो यहाँ पर ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट और रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट आगे है, वो हम देखेंगे कल. ओके, दिस इज टुडेज पार्ट. थैंक यू.